this is an exciting one. I mean, Israel Adesanya versus Nassurdin Imamov, and Adesanya is on a 2-fight lose streak. He really needs this win. How do you think this is going to play out?
Man, two-time middleweight champion. Only one guy who's been a two-time middleweight champion in history of the UFC in middleweight. We're talking about the only middleweight division. And then, upcoming guy, Nassurdin Imavov, when he fought against Brandon Allen, it was a very dominant performance. Nassurdin Imavov, he got the job done against Brandon Allen. He got the job done against Jared Cannonier, which is the kind of like arguably TKO, actually, early stoppage, I guess. And then before that, he got the win against Roman Dolidze, if I'm not wrong. So 3-fight winning streak right now. And then Israel Adesanya coming two losses, but he lost only 2 champions, to be honest. So he
Yeah,
lost only 2 in title fights, and then this is the first fight. This is the first non-title fight since 2019, I believe, for Adesanya. I think in this fight, very very tough pick, actually. Very, very tough fight. Um, you know, Nassurdin Imam he got the very good Muay Thai, very good striking. Even he's from Dagestan originally. He doesn't have very good wrestling, to be honest. Because when he didn't want to fight on the ground when he fought against Allen, because Allen got very good jiu-jitsu, high-level jiu-jitsu black belt, but he didn't want to fight on the ground when he fought against Allen. We saw that in Paris. So 2 strikers, I would say. And I think, man, I don't want to say like 50-50, but um, man, probably I would say 53-47 to Adesanya
okay.
with decision.
That's big. That's big for him. He definitely needs this win, and I think
Yeah.
if Adesanya wins this fight, he's gonna go on a title run. I think he's hungry to get that belt back. So we'll see.